Good evening, everyone. Wherever in the last part. So we are in the data modeling concepts. So manage aggregation successfully completed. Even aggregate table creation, incremental refresh also explained. Right. The next topic is go to a particular table. These are the options available. I believe all the options are completed. Now, so table level, no properties pending. But one important thing, if you notice, guys, is the institute table. What are the options available? You please look into this. And I will go to this table, date table. Now, look at the options. One option additional you're able to see. What is that?
Delete from model.
Only new column.
Sir, delete from model, sir. Mark as date table.
No, not delete from model. Mark as a date table. This is important. Mark as date table. I'm writing shortcut, short notes, focus. This is available for the table having at least one date column. available for tables having at least one date column. Perfect. At least one date column. Next one. This concept helps to consider table as date table, so the date time calculation will be faster and better for date time calculation. But rules, the date column should be have unique values. Unique values, comma, no gaps, no null values. Shall we do this? Go to this. This is our date table. Click on this. Mark as date table. Click mark as date table. Mark as date table. Mention here date column. Please read it. See the message. Next, click on this. Mark as. Sorry, this table is not suitable, so delete it. Date table deleted. I want to create a date table. Very quickly, I will create. You concentrate. Modeling menu. New table. Dim date equal to add columns. Table name one, expression one. Calendar of started and date. Date of 2017. 01 012. Date of 2017 to 12 31st. This is calendar table. Comma. I'm adding one by one column. Year. Year of dim date. Here of date table date. Not date table date. Year of date. Month. Comma. Month of date. How to practice this I explained you. Quarter. Comma. Quarter. Okay. Next. Day. Day of date. Brace close. Brace close. clicks here. You want to see in a bigger view? Control C, modeling menu, new table. I'll make this proper alignment so that you will understand. This is the first one. For this calendar, it will take year like this. Month like this. Quarter like this. Yes? Super. Now go to this, the table created. You want to see that, you can see that. Dim date, but only 1 year I mentioned. 4 years I will mention. I need 4 years data. Click on it. See this. I know dates are unique. Click dim date. Mark as date table. Mark as date column. Click OK. Now if you go to this, how is it looking like? Yes, it's not a calendar. This indicates this column is a date type column. What type of column? Date type column. And this is best suitable for date time calculations. Which calculations? Date time. So we are successfully done with mark as date table concept. Madam, clear? Next. What are the properties available? If you look at this table level, no extra property, each and every property successfully completed. We'll go to column properties. Take any column. Click on it. Column property. What are the options you are able to see? Not here. Go to this and see. Any column. These are field properties. Here you are able to see one extra option. Check. These are common. These are common. These are common. This is common. Hierarchy is one extra option. Group is one extra option. Filter is an extra option. Total 4 options. Add to filter means the column added to filter. So whatever the column you select, it will be added to filter. But we will see in the visuals level this concept. Even drill through. This column you can add to drill through. This also we see in the visuals. During visual topic, I will explain you very clearly, not now. Okay. Now these 3 pending. Check. Create hierarchy. New group. These we will see. We'll see, guys. This is a card. For example, card. This column you want to take. What do? Just place like this. One way. Or second way, you can go to this. Check. Check means it will take. Check and drag and drop, both are same. What is our concept? Field properties. What are the additional properties then query? Check. filters. Very good. Successful? No. Check is complete already. If you don't want to go to this, uncheck, it won't take. Now, what are the pending topics? Grouping hierarchy. Let me write here. What is hierarchy? Hierarchy contains multiple levels and members. Full stop. Minimum 2 levels required. How many? 2 levels. Minimum 2. Example. Take location hierarchy. How it looks like? Country. Country contains state. Yes. This is a hierarchy. This is one level. This is another level. Level. So location hierarchy. Tell me time hierarchy only. Excellent. Excellent. And then milliseconds. What about date hierarchy? Yes, year, semester. Semester means ready paper. Month, fortnight. పక్ష ఉంటాం తెలుగులో అన్ని పక్షాలు తెలియదు మనకి product category to product subcategory product. These are all hierarchies. But okay, sir, I will create like this. What is the advantage? Yeah, easy drill down and drill out. Better aggregate. Shall we see? First location hierarchy I will create. So simple. Go to state. I don't have country here. State. Click on this. Create hierarchy. State hierarchy ready. You can rename it. If you don't like it, rename it. Click on it. Rename. Hierarchy. Sufficient. Now what do you want? See, this is having state. District I want. Click on it. Add to hierarchy. Location hierarchy. Location ID I want. Add to hierarchy. Location hierarchy. This is location hierarchy. You are able to see. What about date hierarchy? How do we create? Dim date table. Click here. Create hierarchy. Now quarter. Click on it. Add to hierarchy. Year hierarchy. Month. Add to hierarchy. Year hierarchy. Year, quarter, month. Now go to this. Go to this. I will take a matrix visible. Matrix visible. Matrix visual contain row, column, value section. I will take year here. Explore bigger. So year hierarchy. Now columns I will not take, values. I will go to fact table discount. Year wise, quarter wise, month wise data. But why is it showing like this? Year wise, quarter wise, month wise. Year wise, quarter wise, month wise data. Why is it showing like this?
Because in discount file we don't have any date, sir.
The reason, okay, first you are able to understand drill down and drill up. Am I right? Right. The reason for this is what is this column? Date table column. What is this column? Fact table column. No relationship available. That's the reason you're able to see like this. Shall we go? Just click on it. Go to this fact table and date table. Where is the date table? We just created no relationship. See guys, this is modeling. Don't worry, our next topic is this only. Go to modeling area, establish relationships. So what to connect? Fact table date to date table date you connect. Now go to this. See the result. Is it showing properly? Done. Now what I will do? Year hierarchy I will remove. I will go to location hierarchy. See AP. Okay, this is hierarchical analysis. Drill down, drill up. Done. But for example, you don't want location ID analysis. State-wise, district-wise, you can take. If you don't want state-wise analysis, this is the concept. Successfully completed. Right, sir. Hierarchy concept successfully completed. What is the next concept? You guys are very fast, huh? New groups. Not a group, new groups. We have grouping topic at 2 places. How many places? 2 places. While I'm typing, if you read it, you learn here only. Use that smartness. We have grouping topic in 2 places. First one, Power Query level, group by. Why do we require? Group by. Create aggregate tables. Excellent. What is aggregate table? Aggregate table. Categories plus aggregates. That is aggregate table. Now, our view level. We have new group, aggregate table, full stop, physical tables. Which tables? Physical table. You can say physical groups. Aggregate table is a physical group. Power view level new group, logical groups. Any number of logical groups you can create for a column. Any number you can create. It is of 2 types. A, list group. Manually we create list. B, bin group. Do you know this? Bin, based on size or count we create. What is size? Size means one group to another group value difference. Count, number of groups. And this list group for all data types. Bin group only for numerics and dates. Shall I go? Click. This is a fact table. Please look at this. I have a course column. It's a text column. If you go to this, first of all, advantage I will tell you, take a table. Table I will take course ID. Course ID actual fee you take. Course ID discount fee you take. Explore bigger and see that. What did it show? Course ID wise actual fee discount fee fine. But my concept is Azure courses total value I want to see. Informatica and Teradata, there is a course available. These two come under data warehousing courses. I want to see separate. MSBA Power BI comes under BA courses. I want to see separate. So I need output like this: BA courses value, Azure courses value, warehouse courses value. Like this, I need result. I don't like this. So I need a group, or your customer has a requirement. Babu, categorize the courses based on the category, group the courses based on the category, and analyze it. Don't show me individually, because I want to see BA courses, what is the value, and AA courses, what is the value, warehousing courses, what is the value we generated, so that we can take an action accordingly. If low business, we can reduce it, number of trainings. If high business, we can increase the number of trainings. We will go, guys. How? Just click on course ID, new group, course ID groups. This is disabled. You can't do anything. This is a list. Disabled. You can't do anything. So what is the group it is creating now? Hey, come on, yeah. List group. Selected Azure. Highlighted. Group. Courses. MSBA Power BI highlighted. Informatica Teradata highlighted. Data warehouse courses. Three groups. This is normal column. This is a group symbol. Normal column, group symbol. Now I don't want this. I want group. Azure courses value, warehouses courses value, MSB Power value. Got it? You can create one more combination. Azure and MSB one combination. Azure and Power BI combination. How much business we made? I want to know. Many people looking for Azure and Power BI. So Azure and Power BI combination. How much business we made? I want to know. Then create a group. Any number of logical groups you can create. Any number. Just logical, no storage, nothing. While taking values only, it will give you the result. Whereas Power Query level group by, even yesterday we worked on, it was creating an aggregate table. What it was creating? Aggregate table. This is list grouping successfully completed. Next, I will go to student ID. Student ID. Number column. Click on it. New group. Student ID. You can take a list group. Student ID disable. You can't do anything. I take list. Your wish. These into one group. Less than 1011. These into one group. Remaining into one group. Three groups. Remove the list course ID. Less than 1001 group. Discount fee. Student less than 1011. Student IDs fee. In between this fee. Above this fee. Three groups and values. Logical group. And my concept is not like that. Exactly 4 groups I require, or 5 groups I require. Click on it. New group. Bin count. Number of bins. Minimum value, maximum value. How many you want? 5. These two you cannot change because the table level minimum value is this, maximum value is this. Table level you can't change. Total how many groups required? 5. So what is the size it is taking? System taking. We can't take anything. If you mention count, size will be taken by the system. Where is bin?
Now it will get split in 5 groups, sir.
Yes, take bin count. This was the one created. How many groups we got? Right? Something wrong. Click on it, edit groups. Something wrong happening here. What I will do is don't take student ID. I will go to tax amount. Please see this tax. Because student ID is a text column. See, it's not a number column. I forgot. It's a text column. I told you bin and bin. Not textual columns. So go to this tax amount, new group. Minimum value, maximum value, 5. Click OK. Bin count tax amount. How many groups created? Size means the value difference automatically taken by the system. Next, click on it. New group. I will mention size. I'm mentioning the size 50. Then what happens? 50 is the difference between one group to another group. So we don't know how many groups it will create. So when you mention size, it will take count. When you mention count, it will take size. I mentioned size. So between these two values, I'm expecting this size. Click OK. Ready? Now, bin size 0, 50, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400. So if the value is available, it will show you. Are you okay? Successful. Next. So list group is completed, bin group also completed. In other words, grouping completed. What is completed? Group. Anybody having any questions? What is the advantage of grouping? We will create our own groups. Manual list, you can select and take groups, or certain number of groups you can create, or size based groups you want, you can create. So during analysis, these are all helpful for you. So we are successfully done with a topic called data set properties. What is the next topic? Oh, so you are very ready, huh? Very much ready. Next topic is data modeling, second part, relationships. This is the first part, completed. Second part, pending. Third part, pending. These two all together come under a proper modeling. Now I go to second part. But before second part, you need to have knowledge on few important things. The important things are data warehouse fundamentals. Later, data model fundamentals. These two you need to have good knowledge. Data warehouse, data model, fundamentals. Is it okay? Now we will continue. Data warehouse and data model fundamentals.